In the ATech world, there are more users than there are people making things. Or things are available and they don't work with switches. Or they're too expensive. Or they just don't fit your needs. Every ATech user is unique. What I've found is a lot of folks would like to start getting into modifying their own toys or modifying toys for friends, family, community, just to help out. Big thing that's stopping them is I don't know how to solder. Well, that's why I put together this kit. So you will receive in this Learn to Solder kit three main packs. Okay? The first is an introductory letter with some what your parts are, assembly instructions, nice color photos, and whatnot. So you'll have a paper copy of that. You'll also get a Make Magazine Learn to Solder book. Now, this book was originally designed to make this robot badge, but the knowledge inside of here is really what you want to digest before getting into things. There are recommendations for tools, techniques. It has plenty of nice pictures to show you exactly what's going on. It's really a nice booklet. We have used this heavily in the past in our local maker club to help people out to get into soldering. It's not anywhere as scary as it may seem. It's like any other skill. It takes practice. So you get the book. Most importantly, this is what you really care about, right? These are the parts you're going to get. The first bag, the pink one, is going to have the actual kit. This is the light kit inside of it. It's called the Lux Spectralis 2. It's a really neat little kit. But wait, there's more, because I wanted to make this ATech, learn how to do ATech, and how to make things look nice and neat. I have included some other stuff. Here we have one of my infamous pigtails that I use. This is going to make this device external switch capable. And in addition, I wanted this, normally when you assemble this you just have the bare board, but I made this little 3D printed case for you to put the board into, along with a little thing of, look at that, oh isn't that exciting? That's going to fit right on top of there. It's fiber optics, so the fiber optics are going to, the LEDs under here are going to light them up, give you a little bit nicer effect. And a couple dots of Velcro, so if you wish to attach that to the battery pack. And with all of my toys, all my kits, you'll also be receiving a fresh set of batteries, so you'll be ready to go. You won't need anything else. But before you make your kit, oh, there's another bag in here. A little breadboard, little perf board here with a chip and some old junk parts. This is your training ground. So before you even start out, you'll have something to play around with, practice, and when you feel confident in handling this test one, you aren't going to ruin anything. It doesn't do anything. It's just for learning. Once you're done with that, then you can move on to the kit itself. It's all explained in the manual, and then when you're done, you will be able to make things like this little lantern. You can go to Walmart, buy a little $10 lantern, and convert it to be external switch accessible, and all sorts of other toys. So I really hope that this is going to help folks out, get you started, and get comfortable with soldering, because it's a really important part of getting into the toy conversion.